Today we will be learning about shapes. I have some shapes already drawn on my papers. We will be creating a rectangle, triangle, square, pentagon, diamond, trapezoid, and hexagon using clothespins. First, I will make my rectangle. I will use one clothespin to start my vertical side. I will clip a clothespin to the top, add another one, I will add another clothespin to the side to create my other vertical side of my rectangle, and another one for the bottom, and another one to the bottom. And now you can see that I've created a rectangle. But even though I have my rectangle, if we look at our next shape, it is a square. And the kids will automatically think they'll just need to use the next clothespins to make the square. But if you show them that you can take a clothespin from the bottom of the rectangle and a clothespin from the top of the rectangle, add one clothespin back, you have created a square by just taking two clothespins from the rectangle. Our next shape is a triangle. If we look at the triangle, we can do the same thing as we did for the rectangle. We can take one clothespin from the square and rearrange these clothespins to clip together to make a triangle. Same with the pentagon. We can keep the top like we had with the triangle. Take this clothespin and add to the pentagon, and then add our base to make our pentagon. With the diamond, we can take one clothespin from the base of the pentagon, put what we have, clip it together, and you have a diamond. For the trapezoid, we could have done very much like we did the rectangle, but have our two clothespins up top, add one to each side like we did with the rectangle, but then on the bottom we will end up having one more clothespin on the bottom than we did with the rectangle. And finally, to make our hexagon, if we take one clothespin for the top, add one to the side, add one to the side, and add one more, add one more, and we have a hexagon. But doing this activity shows you how your shapes can be made with different clothespins and be used for a good hands-on activity.